In this section, we're going to be discussing property tax. But before we do that, we're going to talk about two different values that we have for homes. The first is called the fair market value, which is the price at which a property can reasonably be expected to be sold. All right, so if you put your house up on the market, the fair market value is what you can expect to get for selling it. And the assessed value is something that's used in calculating property tax. And the assessed value is going to equal the fair market value times an assessment rate. So we're going to look at two examples. In the first one, we're going to find the assessed value for a house with a fair market value of $189,000 if the assessment rate is 30%. All right, so we're going to convert that 30% to a decimal, 0.3, and we just multiply those two values together. So $189,000 times 0.3 will give you $56,700. So the assessed value for that house is $56,700. Now in the second example, we have a house that would be sold for much less, so for $140,000, but it lives in an area where the assessment rate is 45%. So the assessed value is going to equal 140,000 times 0.45, which is $63,000. So since that second house is in an area where the assessment rate is higher, it actually ends up with a higher assessed value than the first one.